Reflect Notes promises to be an innovative solution for AI-powered note-taking, but does it really deliver? If you're tired of traditional note apps and looking for something that truly enhances your productivity, stick around as we dive into what Reflect Notes can offer. Reflect Notes is designed to help users capture, organize, and retrieve information more efficiently. At its core, it leverages AI to transform your notes into structured insights, making it ideal for students, professionals, and anyone who deals with a lot of information. The interface is clean and user-friendly, which is a big plus for those who might feel overwhelmed by more complex platforms. One standout feature is its ability to generate summaries and highlights from your notes, which can save you time when reviewing material. However, while the AI capabilities are impressive, there are areas that still feel a bit unclear, such as the depth of the AI's contextual understanding. Some users might find themselves wanting more customization options for organizing their notes, especially if they have unique workflows. Overall, the potential is there, but it could benefit from more transparency on how the AI processes and organizes information. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Reflect Notes offers a sleek interface and impressive AI features that can significantly streamline your note-taking process. The ability to generate summaries is particularly useful for quick reviews. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users might feel frustrated by the limited customization options for organizing notes. Additionally, there's a noticeable lack of user feedback and testimonials, which can raise trust concerns about its reliability. Pricing isn't explicitly stated on the site, making it hard to gauge whether it's worth the investment. This app may not suit those who prefer highly customizable note-taking systems or who are looking for extensive integrations with other tools. In conclusion, Reflect Notes has a lot of potential, especially for those who want to enhance their note-taking with AI. If you're someone who values efficiency and doesn't mind a few limitations, it's worth trying out. However, if you need a more customizable or integration-friendly solution, you might want to explore alternatives.